Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Love Kenitra here. If you are new, hello, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and let's get right into the video. Guys, so in today's video, guys, I may be old school, but you know, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I had no clue that what I'm about to show you even existed. Have you guys ever tried the wrap snacks? These are potato chips. I have 2 bags of them. One is Migos and the other one is Cardi B. If you guys do not know, I am a huge fan of Cardi B. So we're going to start with Cardi B first. With my chips, I'll be having some lemon water. I've been drinking a lot of lemon water lately and it's pretty good. Okay, so guys, first of all, I want to talk about the bag. I mean, we all know that Cardi B she's beautiful, right? Yes, I love Cardi B, okay? But the picture on the chips is just, I don't know, it just threw me off. But her chips are Cheddar BBQ. I've never heard of such thing in my life. I've never heard of anything being Cheddar BBQ, so let's just give it a try. It just has the regular servings on it, and it also has a picture of her on the back, if you guys can see it, in her pretty sexy red dress. I love it. I love Cardi, okay? Cardi, give me a call, Cardi. I love you, okay? So let's go ahead and check out your chips. They are the Cheddar BBQ. So let's dig in. Maybe I'll do a little ASMR if it sounds right. I don't know though. Okay, so the chips look like this. It's not very much in the bag, but they were $1.47, I believe. So let's just try them. Oop. Okay, guys, these chips are good. I don't know if it's because it would have got a little kick to them too. Y'all, these chips are good. I almost don't want to put the bag down. These chips are like, y'all, okay, let me put these down because I have to try the other ones, but I mean, they are good. Let me drink some of my lemon water. Okay, so next is the Migos chips. This is the bag that they come in, and on the back you can see their picture. I love Migos as well. I love Cardi B more, but love Migos as well. And the name of these chips are sour cream with a dab of ranch. Sour cream with a dab of ranch. You like them? They taste good? Okay. Baby girl is trying to peek around. So this is, whoop! I almost dropped them. Sorry, Migos. This is what they look like in the bag. And now, this is the actual chip. Looks like regular sour cream and onion potato chips. So let's just try them. Wait, hold on. Let me try another one. I mean, wait, one more. Let me just try one more to see. These are not good at all. Guys. Cardi B, since she winning and everything, she definitely won with the chips. These are the ones that I choose because Migos, the Dabman with the ranch is not good. Sour cream and ranch, at least on those chips, are not good. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Y'all know. Cardi B. Cardi B. Cardi B. Cardi B. Cardi B. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, mini vlog. But Cardi B, yes girl, yes boo, DM me, okay? So we can talk about your chips. That's what I want to talk to you about. These are really, really good, guys. Go pick them up. I got mine from my local Walmart. I'm not sure where else they sell them at, but guys, Want another one? There you go. These are good. Okay, guys. No, as you guys can see, I don't really know how to do a mukbang, or whatever you call it. Let me just have one more before I say goodbye. Just one more, okay? Okay guys, see you guys in my next one.